Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can delete YouTube video from your YouTube channel. So once you have opened your YouTube app, and then on the bottom right corner, here you will see your channel logo. Just click on that, and then on the top bar, here you will see your channel logo. Just click on that logo. Now you will see manage video option. Just click on that manage videos. Now here you will see all of your uploaded video. Now if you want to delete any of video, then click on three dot icon, scroll down, and on the bottom here you will see delete icon. Just click on that delete. Now let's click on delete. And that is the way you can delete any YouTube video from your YouTube channel. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you out, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.